1979 Cadillac DeVille. She got a set of 20-inch spokes and vogues. She can be purchased with or without the wheels. She got the 429 cubic inch 7-liter V8 backed by a 3-speed automatic. Paint in good shape. She has the lamp monitors for your turn signals and high beams. As y'all can see, the paint is in good condition. Top nice and clean. Driver side frame and floor pans. Passenger side. Deck lid is in good shape. Trunk nice and clean. And the deck lid is self-latching. I love that feature. Interior is in good shape. She got all the options: power windows, power locks. Seats in good condition. Back seat. Package tray. Headliner good. She reads a little over 68,000. Upper dash. Lower. She has the 429 cubic inch 7-liter V8 backed by a 3-speed automatic, power brakes, power steering, AC. Let's start her up. All the contact information in the description below. We have financing available. Check out rollingmuseum.com. We got over 100 detailed photos. Y'all have a good one.